In this video, we will show you how to replace your tail lamp assembly. Let's get started. To gain access to removing the tail lamp assembly, you have to remove the entire inside panel. To remove this, you want to look for the 5 plastic caps that look like this. You can use a screwdriver or a trim tool, carefully get underneath the little plastic tab and lift it up and off. Once you have that off of there, it exposes a square-headed screw. The size for the bit you need is a size 32. Once you have all of your mounting hardware out of place, continue on by carefully grabbing onto this and removing it from the vehicle. Once you have that out of the way, continue on to removing each of these. Now let's move along to the outside of the vehicle. Carefully grab onto the lens and give it a little wiggle, pulling it away from the vehicle. Keep in mind there is still wiring attached to the back. For the wiring harness, you'll find that you have a squeeze tab where my index finger is. Carefully squeeze that in and separate this. Once you have it separated, give it a quick check for corrosion. That looks good. And there it is, friends. Let's have a look at the backside of our original tail lamp assembly. You'll notice that you have 4 bulb sockets making their way down. You're going to want to grab onto each of the bulb sockets, give it a little twist counterclockwise, remove the wiring from its securing point, and pull out that bulb. Once you have it out of there, go ahead and remove it from this assembly. Give it a quick inspection. Assuming it looks good, transfer it over to your new assembly. If it does not, make sure you replace it. To transfer it, all you would do is go over to the new one, remove this area, slide your new bulb in there, make sure it's completely secure, line it up with the backside, twist it clockwise to lock it in, and repeat the procedure down the line. Now let's take some glass cleaner on a rag and wipe down the mating surface where the new lamp assembly is going to sit. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new lamp assembly. On the back side, reconnect your wiring harness. Slide this into position and listen for a click. Once you hear that click, you can continue on by sliding this into place. Make sure you have both of your studs lined up with their corresponding holes as you slide it into position. Once you have it in there, continue on the inside. We're going to put on both of those plastic mounting nuts. Make sure each of these are nice and snug so the tail lamp does not vibrate around on you while you're driving down the road. Slide your panel into its original position and put in all 5 of your mounting bolts. Once they're started, snug them up. Once all the screws are in, continue on with your plastic covers. Okay friends, we fully installed our tail lamp assembly. At this point, make your way into the passenger compartment, put the key in the on position, and test all of your lamps. Make sure it functions properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.